Welcome to the Odoo Power BI Embedder, your fast, secure way to view Power BI dashboards inside Odoo. We start from opening settings page, where you enter your Microsoft credentials like tenant ID, and client secret. Need help getting these values? See the link in the description. The setup guide walks you through each step. Next, run the dependency check and validate the connection to make sure everything is configured correctly. Once validated, fetch your available workspaces directly from the Power BI services. The workspaces appear right inside Odoo, making it simple to browse and manage them from a single place. Open any workspace to view a marvelous gallery of report thumbnails. Click any thumbnail to open the report with a full interactive preview without leaving Odoo. Each report page also shows detailed metadata and quick action so you can take decisions faster. So that's the Odoo Power BI Embedder with secure tokens, one-click sync, and a seamless reporting experience inside your ERP. You can also check the description for setup links and full documentation. Try it today and bring your Power BI into Odoo.